we're receiving a signal now. This signal is 70 points. I'm going to take the signal, but I'm going to have to reduce the lot size because that's ridiculous. 70 points on a candle. I've taken it down. It's a smaller lot size. I'm going to put hard stop here, and I'm going to put our soft stop around a third of the candle, about maybe half, about that area there. That's where our mental stop is. But as you can see, the market's gapped down here. Look, there's been some crazy just sell-offs for the last 3-4 days or so. So to get a candle that size is just ridiculous. I don't know what it's going to do, to be quite honest, but I know people are going to think that it's going to continue to sell off and is an easy thing to do, but I don't think it's easy. You can still get caught out in this. It's almost like a dangerous beast, like a wounded animal. You think it's easy, but it still can strike out and lash out at you and take your money. So I've reduced my lot size, and I'm just going to try and get something from this market here. But a 75 point, look at this, from the top, look, from the bottom to the top, 80 points on one candle. It's ridiculous. We're in the US oil at the moment. It's lost about 10% of its worth in the last week. It's been ridiculous. Yes, it should be easy to benefit from it, but you still got to understand you're still doing business. You're still doing the markets. So even though you are in a bearish situation and you are looking for sells, it doesn't mean that you're going to get them that easy. So you still got to be very careful out there. So let's see how far we can get with this. I don't know whether it's going to pull up straight away and take our stop, or it's going to just continue to go down. I don't know. I honestly don't know. And we're going to put our first take profit at 28 points, which is around this point here. But the problem with this is that it one is near a round figure, and two, we haven't got any points of interest to look at, because when we go to the hourly chart, looking at the hourly chart, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's no points of interest to the left. Nothing. And look at a huge sell-off. Look at this. That's just too big. It's just too much. Gap down earlier on today. It's been selling off. It looks easy, but I tell you what, see this area here? That area has caught a lot of people unawares. That's taken a lot of money out of people. A lot. Because everyone's thinking it's selling off. Where are you going to put your stop there? Where? Everyone's stop, if their stop was here, it's been taken. Look, if their stop was there, it got took. So it's almost like it may look easy, but this is still dangerous. You got to be very careful with it. It's not an easy thing to do. So what I'm trying to say is our normal point of doing business is not entirely there, because we would look at where the stops are, etc., and take positions based on that. But right now there's nothing on the left. There's no stops, there's nothing. So we just have to play it by ear. So we'll put this down here anyway for now, right? But 28 points from here is about here. So we'll just put 28 points down. That's how much we're just wanting a 1-to-1 out of this. That's our first point of interest. Let's see if we can get anywhere near that. Look what it's done straight away. Just rejected our area straight, and it's going for our stop. Really, our stop should be, you see where this 9-day moving average is? That's where our stop should be. But it's just not, so it can catch us out like it's doing. Look, we're in a seller's market and we still can get caught out in this. We can get caught out quite easily. It's gone against us straight away. 70 points on a candle, and is on a round figure. This area is a round number. 58, 59, it's a round number. It's just bounced off it. It's bounced off the round number and it's gone all the way back up. It's not a good thing for us. It's not a good thing. It may look easy, but I'm finding this a bit trickish because the candles are so large. So your stops are going to be large. Your stop losses are going to be large. Your point of exit is not seen. It's difficult. So let's see how far we can get with it anyway. Let's see. Finally getting some movement now. It's reaching our first point of interest, which, like I said, it's a bit difficult for me today because I haven't got clear areas where I want to go to. There's no clear areas, so I'm just gonna have to play it by ear. Maybe I'm gonna use the 9-day moving average to exit, or I would just come out as soon as it touches my take profit here. I might just come out because, like I said, it's a bit difficult for me today. I don't like doing it like this. This is almost like old school, where you're guessing. You don't know where you're coming out. You don't know anything. You're just using 2-to-1s and 1-to-1s and all that rubbish. I don't like that kind of situation, but this is what the market is presenting today, so I'm gonna have to roll with whatever they give me. It's hit our take profit. It's hit it. I really should have just jumped out because I don't know about this market. It's too iffy for me. It's too iffy. It's a dangerous market, believe it or not. It's dangerous. Everyone may be selling off and it's all selling off and is all really well and good, but it's a dangerous market. It's dangerous. I'm just looking to jump out where we said we're going to jump out, and that's that. I'm out. Oh, look at this. I know it can go down, etc., but I'm out. Look how much it just pulled back on. The market is very volatile as well. It's very, very volatile. A 70 point, 80 points, just like that. This just zooped up, just took all of our profit just like that. If I didn't come out just then, it would have just done that and we'd have been stuck in the game again. I don't like it. I don't like how it's acting. I don't like what's happened over the last week. I want the market to go back as it was. It's very uncertain at the moment, but that's how it is. So I'm still going to stick to my guns. We just done a 1-to-1 on that, and that was it. Just move on from there. Just move on. Until the market settles down, I'm not going to be happy. I'm just going to come in and out. I'm not going to try and make a massive amount of money out of it because it's very dangerous at the moment. People don't understand that it's dangerous, because this 70 point candle just looks like a normal small candle, but it's not. It's 4 times the size. So just be careful out there. I'm telling you, be careful. Anyway, we've made a profit. Let's move on from there. I don't like the fact that we don't know. We can't use our strategies that well at the moment, but old school still there. When you got a chance, go to Amazon and check out this book. It's called 10 Truths About Forex. It shows you a wide variety of skills and strategies which you can use to target the market. It also shows you a few things that most of the traders and all the books don't really tell you. Things that you need to know, the things that you'll find out later after your account is blown. So check it out. Link in description.